Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn gas laws. Start by grasping the four key variables: pressure, volume, temperature, and the number of moles. These fundamental properties dictate gas behavior. Next, focus on understanding the relationships between these variables. For instance, consider how increasing pressure affects volume. Begin your journey with Boyle's law, which states that pressure and volume are inversely proportional when temperature and moles remain constant. This foundational law is crucial for building your understanding. Moving on, let's delve into the individual gas laws. Charles's law explains that volume and absolute temperature are directly proportional when pressure and moles are constant. Then, Gay-Lussac's law shows that pressure and absolute temperature are directly proportional if volume and moles are held constant. Finally, Avogadro's law states that equal volumes of all gases, at the same temperature and pressure, have the same number of molecules, meaning volume is directly proportional to the number of moles. Now let's combine these principles. The combined gas law merges Boyle's, Charles's, and Gay-Lussac's laws, allowing you to solve problems where multiple variables change. The pinnacle is the ideal gas law, expressed as PV equals nRT. Here, P is pressure, V is volume, N is the number of moles, R is the ideal gas constant, and T is absolute temperature. The value of R is approximately 0.082 1-liter atmospheres per mole Kelvin. Mastering this equation is essential for gas law calculations. To truly master gas laws, consistent practice is key. Work through a variety of problems for each individual law, and then for the combined and ideal gas laws. Try applying these concepts to everyday situations, like understanding why a balloon expands when heated or how a pressure cooker works. Regular review of the formulas and their underlying principles will significantly enhance your retention and problem-solving skills. Keep practicing, and you'll become proficient in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.